Welcome to Instant Author. To help you master our platform, we've built a comprehensive user manual that's accessible right from your dashboard. Let's take a look. The manual opens with an introduction, giving you a complete overview of the platform's key features and capabilities. The Getting Started section walks you through everything from account creation and profile setup to understanding the application's layout, ensuring you have a smooth start. You can easily navigate to any topic you need. We have detailed guides on AI model configuration, the process of creating books, using our writing analytics, formatting with the KDP formatter, exploring advanced features, managing books, export and publishing, and even administration features. If you ever get stuck, the Troubleshooting section provides quick answers to common issues. For pro-level advice, check out Tips for Success to learn best practices for planning, writing, and enhancing your work. And for your convenience, the entire manual can be printed or downloaded in Markdown format with a single click, so you can have it available offline anytime. With Instant Author's detailed user manual, you have all the support you need to bring your stories to life.